Alright, I'm running on 5%, so this is the last of it for this GoPro camera for today. We got a little campsite going on in the middle of nowhere in the Gib. We got the Frenchie taking his picture, and I'm just about to send my tent, and it's a beautiful sunset. It looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, looks like a little African safari. Yeah. And I think tonight I'm gonna wear new clothes because I've worn the same clothes and same underwear for the past 3 days. Well, actually, the underwear I took off after I went swimming, so I'm pretty much free balling.
Oh, you're so disgusting.
Yeah?
Me, I changed mine today, yeah?
You changed yours?
Yeah.
You're so French.
Yeah.
You are so French.
Of course.
You think I give a fuck? No, you're so French.
American is so disgusting. You smell dick, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just because we're not circumcised and you're... I mean, just because we're circumcised and you're... That came out so fucking wrong.
I didn't want to say you today, but now I understand. So I can say you, yeah, you smell dick, man. Be careful. Huh?
I always smell like dick.
You can stop, eh?
No.
Okay. Enjoy.
No, I do not want to see that. No.
It's fucking disgusting, man. Look.
Oh, Frenchie.
You put dusty everywhere.
Me?
Look at that.
I just want to watch this fucking sunset before I set my tent, but I probably need to set my tent.
Take the moon.
The moon's up there too. Tomorrow's gonna be a
this side the
full
moon,
moon.
this side the moon.
Hey, so you understood what mooning is. Yeah. Yeah, he's becoming more and more American, but he's still French. All right, I'm signing out. Signing out with this free ball. But yeah. Good night, people.